Hi traders, so today's topic will be a really interesting one because today I will talk about RSI, Relative Strength Index, and why RSI is the best indicator in the world. So it is funny because almost every trader hates RSI, and I think this is because a lot of people start trading with this indicator, and of course at the beginning everyone is a loser and just try to figure out what is trading all about and strategies, and they fail with the relative strength index and they give up on it. But I am a programmer and a trader, and I actually tested hundreds of indicators over the years, and RSI is the best one that I have tested. So the most important thing is be smart and don't use the default periods and values when you trade with it. So for example, don't use the 14 period RSI because everyone uses it too, so you will lose with it because the big banks know how beginner traders trade. The second thing is try out different strategies with it, because RSI is not just for overbought and oversold and pullback strategies. The RSI is actually one of the best trend following indicators. So what you should do is, and this is basically a complete strategy so you can try it out, get the relative strength index to your chart and don't try to trade pullback, but try to trade the trend. So when the RSI hits above 70, you take a buy trade and not a sell trade. And when the RSI indicator crosses below, let's say 30 or 20, you take a sell trade and not a buy trade. And I tell you what you should do next. So always make sure you have a good risk to reward ratio. So your take profit, your TP, will be always bigger than your stop loss. Because if not, statistics is not on your side, my friend, I have to tell you. So do the following. Take a buy trade when RSI hits 70 or 80, and after that put your stop loss below the start of the trend and put your take profit to 2 size bigger than your stop loss. And believe me, I have tested this kind of strategies over the years and they work amazing because you have a good risk to reward ratio and you follow the trend. And I know what a lot of people say right now, that this is too easy, this won't work in real trading, but believe me, the easiest and simple strategies work the best in trading, because people overcomplicate trading and they lose. But if you can follow simple rules, you will make money. But this is too hard for the human brain to I don't know, understand. But so this is the video for today. I want you to try out this strategy, and not just for one trade, but at least 30 trades and see how it works. And yeah, I wish you the best. Ciao.